In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract interested leads from Lusha. First, open your browser and go to the Lusha dashboard at dashboard.lusha.com. Log in if prompted, and you'll land on the main workspace. On the left-hand side, you'll see the navigation menu. Click Search. This takes you into Lusha's prospecting area where you can zero in on the exact people or companies you want to reach. Before pulling any data, take a moment to set your filters. Good filters make the difference between random results and truly interested leads. Use criteria like job title and seniority to target decision makers. Add location and industry to match your market, and narrow by company size or technologies if that matters to your offer. As you adjust filters, watch the results update so you can dial in relevance without over-restricting your search. Next, decide whether you want to view contacts or companies. Contacts focuses on individual professionals, ideal when you're planning direct outreach. Companies shows organizations first, useful if you want to map accounts and then choose the right stakeholders inside them. Switch to the one that aligns with your goal. When your list looks right, click into the result you want to work with so its row options are in focus. Then tick the checkbox next to it. Selecting the record ensures the details panel will reflect the right profile. Now choose Show Details. A drawer or side panel opens with a richer snapshot, role, company info, and other context that helps you quickly qualify fit. If the profile looks promising, click Show Emails and Phones. Lusha will reveal verified contact methods where available. Be aware that revealing details may consume credits on some plans, so confirm you're viewing the right prospects before you proceed. As the information appears, note the most appropriate channel for outreach and verify that it matches the person's current role. A couple of best practices as you work. Refine filters gradually. If results are too broad or too narrow, keep your ideal customer profile top of mind, and respect communication preferences and applicable regulations when using phone numbers and email addresses. Avoid pasting contact data into public documents and store it securely in your CRM or approved tools. That's it. By moving from search to filters to the right view, selecting the record, opening show details, and then revealing emails and phones, you can efficiently extract high-quality, interested leads from Lusha.